Welcome to Systematic Hardware. Today I'd like to show you how to assemble the half-deck tech station from HighSpeed PC.
Open the box and internal bag with an X-Acto knife. Locate your instruction manual, remove the hard drive and PCIe brackets from the board, as well as all contents from the plastic bag. Prepare your power drill to assist with the assembly. Remove contents from the motherboard standoff kit. Place screws into the rubber standoffs and position them on the board. Use the power drill to screw in the screws. Remove contents from the second plastic bag. Flip over the board and screw in the hard drive stopper lined up with the hard drive stop arrow. Secure the screws to the hard drive brackets. Place the plastic spacers onto the screws and line up the clear hard drive brackets to the corresponding arrows according to drive size. Use your power drill to screw them into the board. Screw in the brackets for the 120mm fan. Run the long plastic screw through the last motherboard standoff and anchor all 4 sets of the legs into the board. Mount the brackets for the PCIe support. Screw the plastic PCIe support brace into the brackets. Place the rubber caps onto the ends of the legs. Stick the rubber pads onto the plastic caps. Unbox the fan and screw in the guard. Screw the fan into its corresponding brackets. This concludes the assembly for the HighSpeed half-deck tech station from HighSpeed PC. I'll be sure to add their website link to the description of this video and follow up with a review. Thanks for watching.